Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, April 9th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Nvidia that will stop support for 32-bit systems this month. So we knew that they wanted to stop support for 32-bit systems, but we didn't know exactly when. Well, now we do. This is the month that it ends, so if you have a 32-bit OS or operating system, you will not have updates anymore for your drivers. It will still be updated with security updates if needed until January of 2019, but it's maybe time to think about changing to a 64-bit operating system. T-Mobile Austria is in hot water because of a series of tweets that seem to show they are pretty much careless with security. In the tweets, apparently they say that T-Mobile Austria is storing user passwords in plain text. And the reason why? Because their security is so amazingly good that they don't need to do encryption of passwords or anything. Haha, I think somebody somewhere doesn't understand what security is all about. Pakistan has banned the use of cryptocurrencies, and the banks will not be allowed to exchange or have payments in that form. And it's one of the growing numbers of countries that want to either regulate, ban, or really lower the amount of transactions with cryptocurrencies. So we'll see if that holds on, but kind of interesting. Microsoft users, well, some of them are a little mad at Microsoft because in Windows 10, the Mail app has started actually posting ads for Office 365. And of course, a lot of users say, why are you doing this? You shouldn't be posting ads of any products or anything. And, I kind of agree that they shouldn't do that in their apps in Windows 10 in general. Well, YouTube launched YouTube Kids a little while back, and of course, already back then, some people were not really happy with the idea of having a kids side to YouTube. Well, now privacy advocacy groups are saying that YouTube is collecting information on children, it's illegal to do so, and it shouldn't happen, which is kind of interesting. So, what is exactly is happening here? We don't really know, but I think YouTube needs to explain what they are doing exactly. Well, internet access in Africa is much more fragile than we might think. A submarine cable broke down, and that made the internet stop for Mauritania for 48 hours. Even some neighboring countries had problems with the internet for several hours when that happened. And it just shows you that maybe there needs to be a little more interconnections within the world for the internet. If you're running Mac OS 10, well, the latest update, 10.13.4, has caused many issues to users. People tend to think that it's always Windows updates that break something. Well, no. Mac updates also. This update broke external screens that became blank, third-party apps that stopped working, and widespread problems that a lot of companies and users are just scrambling to go through. And that just shows you that every updates of every type of platform could be a problem. Facebook says that if you want to run a political ad in the future, you will need to be an authorized user, and there will be some background checks to make sure that you're not fake or that you're not trying to influence anything by having fake ads or information that is not correct. We'll see if that does fix the Facebook ads problem. Well, a study that came out says that if you give all your employees security IT training, even in the most basic form, you will save big in security fees later on. A study says that in businesses that have not received IT training for security, 27% of employees will fall for phishing scam at that point. So I guess maybe having informed employees is a good idea. And finally, have you ever sent a Facebook Messenger, message to somebody and you wish you could take it back. Well, in the next few weeks to months, apparently there will be a version of Facebook Messenger rolling out that will enable you to unsend communications that you've sent, maybe because you were drunk or not, but anyways, that feature is apparently coming soon. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, April 9th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.